Welcome back to Car Garage05. Today, we're taking a close look at one of the most talked about luxury SUV concepts making waves among automotive enthusiasts worldwide, the 2026-27 Toyota Land Cruiser Century SUV. Combining the legendary toughness of the Land Cruiser with the ultra-luxurious character of the Century name, this vehicle is creating excitement across the automotive industry. Imagine an SUV that brings together the durability and off-road capability of Toyota's most respected adventure vehicle while delivering the comfort, elegance, and prestige usually reserved for the world's most expensive luxury brands. That is exactly the vision behind the Toyota Land Cruiser Century SUV. From the very first glance, the exterior design commands attention. The front fascia features a bold and upright appearance with a massive grille design that immediately communicates authority and sophistication. The sleek LED headlights stretch elegantly across the front, creating a modern and premium look. Every line on the body has been carefully sculpted to balance strength and refinement. The side profile reveals a long and stately silhouette. Unlike traditional rugged SUVs, the Century-inspired design focuses on elegance. Chrome accents, premium detailing, and large multi-spoke alloy wheels contribute to a luxurious appearance. The vehicle stands tall, but every angle has been refined to ensure it looks more like a rolling executive lounge than a conventional off-road machine. At the rear, the sophisticated design continues with slim LED taillights connected by a stylish light bar. The clean tailgate design, premium badging, and subtle chrome elements complete the upscale appearance. It is a vehicle designed to make a statement whether parked outside a luxury hotel or traveling through rugged mountain roads. Step inside, and the transformation becomes even more impressive. The cabin is expected to represent the highest level of luxury Toyota has ever offered in an SUV. Premium elite city streets or remote trails, the ride quality is expected to remain smooth and composed. Safety remains a cornerstone of Toyota's philosophy, and the Land Cruiser Century SUV would likely feature the latest generation of Toyota Safety Sense technologies. Advanced driver assistance systems may include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, traffic sign recognition, and advanced parking assistance. Additional safety innovations could include a 360-degree camera system, driver monitoring technology, and enhanced collision avoidance systems. These features work together to provide greater confidence and protection for both drivers and passengers. One of the most intriguing aspects of this vehicle is its positioning in the market. The Century name has long been associated with exclusivity and prestige. Combining that heritage with the globally respected Land Cruiser brand creates a unique product unlike anything else currently available. Luxury SUV buyers increasingly seek vehicles that offer more than just premium materials. They want versatility, advanced technology, comfort, and genuine capability. The Land Cruiser Century SUV appears designed to meet all of those expectations in a single package. Toyota's attention to detail could make this SUV especially appealing to executives, business leaders, and families who appreciate luxury without sacrificing practicality. Large cargo capacity, spacious seating, and advanced convenience features make it suitable for everyday use while still delivering a premium ownership experience. The design philosophy appears focused on timeless elegance rather than flashy styling trends. This approach aligns perfectly with the Century heritage, which has always emphasized understated luxury and lasting sophistication. The result is an SUV that looks prestigious today and is likely to remain attractive for years to come. As the automotive industry moves toward electrification and